All right, let's get started. We are running a simulation on William Johnson, who is an AI customer. He's a UX director at a design firm, and I'm here to sell him the insurance policy for his newly bought home. Let's see how he responds and then the report analysis.
Oh,
Hey, is that William Johnson?
yeah, that's me. Who's this?
Hi, William. I'm Nikita and I'm calling from ABC Insurance Company. How are you doing today?
I'm doing all right. What's this about?
William, you put in a request on a website for home insurance that for the house that you have recently bought in, right? So I'm just working on your quote and I have some preliminary questions to ask so that I can give you the best price. Is it a good time to ask a few questions?
Sure, I guess. Just make it quick.
Absolutely, William. So, can you tell me that what is your date of birth and what is your motivation today to shop?
I'm 38 years old. As for motivation, I just want to make sure my new home is properly protected. I've had some bad experiences with insurance before, so I'm looking for something straightforward and reliable.
Okay, I'm so sorry to hear that, William. What is just a few more questions? So, what is your square footage and the year in which the house was built?
The house is about 2,000 square feet and it was built in 2020.
Okay, great. So, as per my quotation, it comes out to be $300,000 as the value, which means that if fire happens and your house is burned to ground, that's the value that will cover your house expenses. And it will be comprehensive enough to cover your pipes bursting, floods related damages, or any personal property damages as well. Does that sound good?
I mean, it sounds okay, but I need to know more about the specifics. Like, what exactly is covered? I don't want any surprises later on.
Yes, so I will help you with the details on that as well. William, any other questions that you have apart from coverage?
Yeah, I'm also concerned about the claims process. I've had a frustrating experience with delays before, so I want to make sure it's quick and hassle free.
Absolutely.
How does your company handle claims?
Sure. So I'm truncating this call in between, and we'll have insights generated on how I did on this call immediately. Okay, so here is the instant report where I have got 50% in the call quality score. Let's see what are the factors that are being measured. So my basic call factors like filler words, talk speed, monologues, talk versus listen ratios have been measured. Overall remarks have been given, and there are a lot of factors that I can see what I did well or couldn't. In flow, I opened well. I asked questions to William effectively, but I didn't discuss the product, its USPs. I touch based on a bit of pricing, but I didn't talk about discounts. I didn't bring the call to closure, so these are zeros. I did I did an attempt, but really failed at personalization or what William could have looked at from comprehensive coverage standpoint and specific to his real life. I did okay on objection handling, and some of the soft skills really are fine. I was hesitant in my tone, which I could have improved, and communication didn't have so much of urgency and sensitivity that could have been improved. I have a call transcript here. So, this is pretty comprehensive insight with specific instances and an instant coaching plan that's been created for me with lots of gamification and examples from my call. So pretty interesting, and yes, I that's about it. Thank you.